What? How did I end up in here? Oh. Any garbage on my metal part? There isn't. Okay, thank goodness. Oh, you're lucky right there. Yeah, I know I was. Was Goggles playing with that chicken toy again? Yeah, looks like it. Alright. What a nice fellow. Ooh, I kind of like how it has a little bell there. Oh, wait, I can spin it? Look at this. Huh? It's pretty nice. Okay, Goggles, be careful with the toy.
I promise! Are you okay?
See if I can try. Don't mess this up. Oh my gosh.
That's because you're a rapper.
Oh, you're right. How did you even know that?
Because of this?
What? No, I don't think it is.
Roll down the stairs, remember? Wow!
I think we saw it. Wait, the Sheldons saw it. Where'd she go? She flying up in the air with that thing? I don't know. Nope, doesn't look like it. Did it again. I hope it didn't break.
It doesn't break.
Hold on. Oh yeah, I see why. Guys! Today on Special Saturday, we got a new crystal guy. And a new guy in every color is waiting for you. Special Saturday delivery. Thank you. Have a good day.
And let's open this bad boy up.
What? Why? This is not. This is not. This looks personal. Oh, I hope it's not what I think it is. What? Wait, why is there loads of people here? Oh, other color! Oh. Let's walk in those shoes.
Wow, so you're wearing Nikes.
Doesn't really look like it, but I guess.
Hey, champion. Huh? Have you ever been something before?
What are you talking about?
Just come to the kitchen. I'll soon find out.
Kitchen?
Yeah, come with me. Follow me.
Okay.
So, have you been wondering, Goggles, have you ever made a Creme Egg milkshake?
Wait, Creme Egg milkshake? Wait, I got this.
No, I'll open this. See? I wrapped them all for you. Hold on.
I think you need the milk.
I'll do it for you.
Alright, just a little bit.
Okay.
There we go.
Hey.
Now we just need to get this thing. And then, oh, that looks super sharp.
I know, so I need to screw it down. And then...
Wait, are you sure it's on properly?
Let the silly creature decide, and let me get it.
Whose glasses are these?
Oh, that was just a silly creature. And let me use the drink.
Alright.
So what do you think?
Alright, let's get a glass for it.
Yeah.
Okay, Goggle. Put it in.
Reveal in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, what? That? You sure you did a good job here?
Sure is.
Wait.
Looks disgusting.
Yeah, oh! There's loads of them just spilling everywhere.
Yeah, of course. That's how I make the Cadbury's Creme Egg milkshake.
Who's gonna eat this little piece right there?
Just let Dewey decide.
Wait. Wait. What are you guys looking at over there? It's time where we share this weird milkshake for Stickery Mayhem Boogaloo. Exclusive produced by Finn Kershaw. A Kershaw's Kebab production, a Kebab media company. You know, you kind of look like me, but... Oh, there's the ace right there. Gotta make sure. Well, we got another gambling man here. Hello everyone, welcome to my introduction. We're here with the Smashers, Series 1, 2, and 3, Mighty Beans, Series 1 and 2, Mighty Beans, Bean Pods, and the Uglies, and the Crashlings, Flipzoos, and the Poopies, and the Pop-Up Snots, and the Superzings, with a new Crystal Superzing, Nasty Knave. Alright. Yeah, look. There's 3 cards in one guy. And the new guy in the other color, Kaboot. Now we got 2 boots. Perfect for walking. Just like that. And the fungus among us, zomlings, buildings, vehicles, the slimies, and the mini brands, and the super bugs, stellar bees, dino smashers, figures, the skeletons, the porg, trash wheels, bug strike. Wait, no, that's Flush Force, Bug Strike, Time Wars, Grocery Gang, Trash Pack, and a Gloopers. Now, Gunky Pump, pick a card, any card. I don't have any time for magic tricks. Yeah, I know you wouldn't. That's why they're all stuck together.
Now, Gunky Pump, where are you going?
I honestly don't know. Subway. Oh yeah, we'll get a Subway.
We ordered Subway.
I can order whatever. whatever I want.
Like what? Nothing? Okay.
He would definitely get some meatballs. I'd go there just for that. Have you tried some of them?
Well, I'm not...
You feeling tired?
I don't like nuts. Because I'm allergic to them.
Okay, here. Just drink some of this if you're feeling tired.
Okay.
I put in something for you.
What's this?
Oh. Definitely does not look like me, mate. Wormy. Alright. Oh, I'm just control this thing. I don't need to make sure everything's right. There we go.
Now the King and Walking Telephone! Where are you going?
Oh, we're going to take a look at Volvo Construction Company tour. Are you sure if it's open?
Probably not. Wait. Volvo. Oh, it is a Volvo. Or what do you call these? That has a...
Volvo tractor.
Possibly.
Okay.
Oh, look at me. I'm on top of this weird tractor thing.
I know. Wanna call?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Hello, welcome to Double G.
Hi, can you check in the bathroom?
I'm trying to... Yeah, sure, buddy.
Okay.
Oh, I gotta listen to this. Body and soul. Sounds pretty neat. But you know what isn't neat? This. A soul. Alright. Oh. I'm not really sure if I'm allowed to take baths. It'll electrocute me. Even though I'm a light bulb. Well, what is then?
You know, the running guy.
Nice one. Nice one.
Barking time!
Anyone wanna try out this weird bulldozer? Is this thing called a bulldozer? It is, mate. Alright. As long as it is the correct word for it. It's not a tractor, though. Who else would want to play with this thing? Except for me. Maybe we'd have a go? Yeah, sure. Alright. Try and lift us. Oh. Wow. Don't worry, I'll transport you. Wait, how is that bulldozer flying? There you go. Safe and sound, the Kaboots.
Logo! Where am I? Just look at the logo. Logo, where am I?
A moron is what you are.
Okay, it's time to get things started.
We got galaxy chocolate. That's nice.
It's so nice.
Hold on, let's see if I can transport some more people with this thing. You sure? Let's see what we have in the back. Heinz tomato ketchup and a donut. Marigold gloves, Manchester City Football Club, and puppets? I think you meant puppets.
Believe I am.
Yeah, we don't know. Alright, let's get another one. It's a pineapple. Oh, it's a fruit with hair. Yeah, I know. So we got a whisk and a fat face and a blockbuster game of life hockey stick.
Fat face is one of Lord Growstoppers.
Oh my goodness. Alright, we got more people.
Guess who I am?
Alright, Sheldons, brought you to your place. Oh, it's Corn Rooster. Let's see what we got on the back. We got Top Shop, Hula Hoops, Center Parks, King Mills brand, and kettle chips. What are kettle chips?
Some kind of potato crisps.
Wait, hold on. Have you been to Center Parks before, Goggle?
Yeah, I wonder.
Oh, alright. Because I remember you guys made 2 episodes of it. We're gonna go get a card now. After 8 minutes. That tastes pretty good. Do you know what else tastes pretty good? It's the Butterfingers. Butterfingers. Who are one of the mascots in it?
Snap, crackle, and pop. Duh.
No, it's Butterfingers, what we're talking about. Here. Look. That's the mascot for the Butterfinger. I guessed on it. It's Bart Simpson. And there's cornflakes, just like that Cornelius dude. Fanta, Thinks, and Jaguar. Alright. Alright, see if I can transport some more people. Oh man, I'm tired. Definitely not of eating. Alright. See if I can try and lift this guy. Good luck trying that. Alright. You think it's working? I don't know. Here. I'm gonna sit on there. Wait for someone with super strength to come over. I guess I do have super strength. Watch me. Oh. Oh. No, hold on. Maybe that isn't right. Let's try this again. Alright. Maybe if I drop it from here. Alright. Oh. Turns out you're not that lucky after all. Really? How much do you weigh? I don't know. Oh, we've messed up the bulldozer. Oh, whoops. Maybe you can just... Oh, thank goodness. Alright, let's try out a different person. Alright. You wanna try us out? You want us to try out that bulldozer? Yeah. See if I can lift you. Alright. Hope you guys are pretty light. Oh. Wait. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's going the wrong way here. Oh, I'll get some more food. What? Oh, it's chicken tonight sauce. Wait, chicken tonight sauce? Oh, come on, we don't know what that is. I don't think you guys would believe of what chicken tonight was made out of. It's made out of chicken's spit and snot. That's actually true. Okay. Alright, calm down.
So you're not going to faint.
We've got toffee crust.
Yeah,
Alright then.
that's nice.
What have we got? Cathedral City cheese, screwdriver, Weetabix, Fox's party rings, and Oral-B toothpaste. Let's see what we got. Cadbury's Creme Egg. Oh, wait, you've made a milkshake of that, didn't you, Goggles?
Yeah, we made the Cadbury's Creme Egg milkshake.
Well, then get out of my face. Seriously, what's wrong with you?
Just pretend it.
See what's on the back. Marker pen, garlic, chalk dip, Costa coffee, and rubber band. So, who drank that milkshake?
Oh, the Gary's dead.
Me ate the milkshake. Isn't it with twins? Me like it. Where are you, baby? Thank you.
Wait, I'm not the one controlling that bulldozer. Hold on. Who was controlling it?
Probably not the ghost!
It was me, Bunny.
Oh, let me
What does make her? Oh. Wait, I think I saw. Of course it was a ghost. Whoa, hey!
Well, which way?
Wait, no, where are you going?
Oh my blood!
This is just a Lego gun, Goggles. It doesn't have real bullets in it.
Of course it's plastic!
Don't worry, I got you. Don't worry, I got you, Goggles.
Hey, this is kind of fun.
Well, more time serving. So like and subscribe and share the notification bell. And make sure you eat like bubbles too. And our streams. Make like bubbles.
Okay.
I got your friends, Super Goggles. Did you guys like the bulldozer I found?
Yeah.
Of course. That's nice.
Oh wait. And
Oh, don't forget! Since Lego makes plastic, well, that's a whole other story.
of course it is.
Miss you.
There we go.
Okay.